Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to create a map in R using POI Factory data. So in order to pull in some longitude and latitudes, we're going to go here to POI-factory.com. So this is a website that generally used for like GPS enthusiasts. Has a lot of files with longitudes and latitudes, as well as like red light cameras around the country. So what we're going to do is we're going to log in. It's free to create an account. So I'm going to log in. And just as an example, we're going to go here to some of the most popular files. We'll go here to McDonald's. You can see it includes about 15,161 locations. All right, and what you would do is, right, since we want to pull a CSV, we wouldn't do the TomTom. We would do this download to CSV format. I've already done so. So now we're going to go into R. All right, and there's going to be two libraries that you're going to need. First one is Tidyverse, and the second one is Leaflet. That's going to be the one that we're going to use to create the map. All right, so you're going to see we're going to pull in that file, and we're going to say column names is false, and that's because there's no title headings. All right, so if you look at the data, you see it just pulls in as x1, x2, x3, x4, but it's going to have the longitude, latitude, the name of the business, as well as the address. All right. First thing we're going to do is we're going to use the names command. We're going to call this the variable that we use to bring in the data, and we're just going to name the columns. You see now we have long, lat, name, and info. And since we do have, you said 15,161 distinct address or coordinates, we'll want to just break it down into something simpler. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do here the use a filter function. It's part of dplyr, and I'm going to use str detect. So I'm going to say in this info column here, give me anything that has the word Whittier in it. So that could be a city. It could be the name of, it says McDonald's / Whittier. So it could be the city. It could be the address, Whittier Boulevard. So just so we don't have 15,000 coordinates. All right, so we're going to click that. So then now that turns into 10 different locations. As you can see here, we're going to have, it's going to pull it when it says Whittier Boulevard. It says Whittier, California. There we're going to see some in California, as well as looks like there's a Whittier in North Carolina. And then here we're going to actually use the leaflet function. So here's where we're calling in the dataset MCD. We're going to do the add tiles, and here we do the add markers. We're putting in the longitude and the latitude from that MCD, and then the pop-up, that's where you're going to put. So when you click on the point, it's going to give you the name of the McDonald's. All right, so let's click on it. So you can see here, we'll zoom in. And you can see some of the locations are in, most of them are in the Los Angeles area. And you'll see when I click on it, it's going to tell you the name of the McDonald's location. And if we come over here, you see we have Whittier. Looks like to be a couple hours from Charlotte. Alright, and that's how you create a map in R using longitude and latitude. Thank you for watching.